What's up, guys? Back here in another video. Today I actually got a new keyboard, and we're gonna unbox it and see what's inside. So let's go. And we're back. This is the Red Dragon wireless RGB mechanical keyboard. Comes with brown switches. Yeah, and that's it. So let's get to unboxing. So you have to open it from the side right through here. And open it. Let's see what's inside. Okay. There it is, guys. Here's the back. There's just the keyboard, some instructions, some manuals. And it's just... So here is the box. It is very nice. It has Red Dragon logo. You're going to open it like this. So just open it up. Okay. So it comes in a protective coat right here. Okay, let's see what it comes with. So protective coat. Okay, let's start with the first thing. First thing is a manual. Just show you how to do stuff. Okay, that's the first thing. It comes with a keycapper, key puller, sorry. Forgot what these are called. Okay, and then next up is the where you you pop the key out. I forgot what these are called, but it's to take out one of the, not the actual key covers, but the thing inside. Just forgot what this is called. And then it comes with your wire to hook it up. Yeah, and then it comes with, not too sure. We'll see that later. Actually, no, let's open it right now. So, okay. Comes in protective foam, so it has to be something. Oh, it's the switches. So you have blue, red, black, and blue. No, what am I saying? It doesn't matter, but yeah, these are some of the switches. Pretty cool. So let's just put that right there. Then here we have the keyboard. It's not too big. It's kind of like a decky keyboard, not really at all. Hey guys, I'm gonna show you my old one. So this is my old one. It has RGB light up switches. It comes with red switches. It's a pretty good keyboard, not the best. Like a $60 keyboard that I found cheap because I didn't want to buy a Swiss keyboard. But I've been saving it for a while now, so now we have this keyboard. Let's see what's inside. Okay guys, we got it. So here is the keyboard. It's Red Dragon. There's the logo. Zoom in, focus. It's not focusing. Okay, so this is the keyboard. I'm not too sure. I mean, I'm pretty sure it lights up because on the box is light up. It has RGB lights. It comes with brown switches, and it's a Red Dragon. It's a Red Dragon mechanical keyboard, 60% keyboard. It's a K530, I think. Yeah, K530. So let's hook it up. Just grab our wire right here. And then let's hook it up. Come on, guys, over here. There's my headset. I need to give y'all a tutorial of my setup. That's next video. Okay. Let's hook it up back here. So hook up. Okay, hold on, guys. Okay, hold on, guys. Not really plugging in. There we go. Okay, we got that plugged in. Yeah, I'm watching PBS Kids because I watch our squad because I'm kind of bored. That's it. Okay. Here is the keyboard. This keyboard will be linked in the description down below. And yeah, pretty sure it doesn't come charged. So let's hook it up. I'll say yeah, guys. I took my slides off. Let me put those back on. So yeah, guys. So let's hook it up. And we are hold on, guys. Sorry, guys. Something is going on. Okay, guys. Y'all ready? 3, 2, 1. And we have power. Okay, it comes in a white, so it starts off white. Yeah, guys, it's a pretty cool keyboard. It has the 2 slides right here at the back. Pop those on. And right here, and this is how y'all change the color. I just found out how to turn. I found out earlier how to change the color by reading the manual. You just gotta press this button, then 9, and it changes to rainbow. And another type of, well, it's not rainbow. It's just yellow, green, blue, yellow, green, blue. So yeah, guys, and it turns to like it keeps going like that and stuff like that. And then next color is, so it's just like it transfers, like it just makes different colors. So it's like, yeah. Then there's this, pretty cool. And then there's that one. Then, ooh, this one's pretty cool, actually. That one's pretty cool. And there's that one, this one. And then there's a pink one. And then, yeah, and there's another pink one. And yeah, guys, that's it. And to turn it off, if you don't want to like colors, you can just turn it off right there. It still works. And here's the clicking noise, guys. And yeah, hold on, guys. I'll be right back. And right, guys. And yes, brown switches, pretty cool. Just turn that on for you. RGB lights. Pretty cool, guys. Brown switches. I'm probably gonna switch the switches. But yeah, guys, that's it. So yeah, that's kind of it. Works perfectly. It's a really good keyboard. Just to remind you guys, this keyboard will be linked in the description down below if y'all want to get it. It's not too bad, guys. Red Dragon. It's a Red Dragon 60% keyboard. 5K30 keyboard from Red Dragon. It's pretty cool, guys. Comes in white and black. I do not have the black one. I'm probably going to get the black one. But yeah, guys, that's it. Kind of it. And yes, guys, it comes with a couple switches, replacements, or if you just want to switch them. And yeah, guys, it's pretty cool. So see you later, guys. Oh, and guys, go to eBay, and also no, don't go to eBay. What am I saying? I'm gonna be selling this keyboard for free on my Instagram. I'll link that down in the description below too. It lights up, RGB lights. It's a pretty cool keyboard. Red switches, because I replaced them, but I'm probably gonna take them all out and replace them with the brown switches. And yeah, guys, pretty cool. So I'm gonna be selling that one, guys, and see you later.